Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get your MetaMask wallet address. First, open your MetaMask extension or mobile app. Make sure you are logged into the correct account. You will see your account name, usually Account 1, at the very top of the interface. Just below that name, your unique public wallet address is clearly visible. This is the address you will share to receive funds. To easily copy your address, simply click on the address itself. It's a quick and intuitive action. You'll notice a small pop-up or a change in the text indicating that the address has been successfully copied to your clipboard. This means it is ready for you to paste wherever you need it, such as into a cryptocurrency exchange or another wallet. After copying, it is always a good practice to verify the address. Paste it into a simple text editor, like Notepad, before using it. Then, visually compare the first few characters and the last few characters with what is displayed in your MetaMask wallet. This quick double-check helps ensure that the correct address was copied and prevents any potential errors or malicious clipboard hijacks. Your public wallet address is safe to share with others when you want to receive funds. However, it is critically important to never, ever share your private key or your secret recovery phrase with anyone. These are the keys to your entire wallet. Always be cautious of unsolicited messages or links, as they could be phishing attempts designed to steal your assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.